Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show how I charge my mavic Air batteries by using a cheap battery pack from China. I bought this pack for $30. It has working voltage 14.8 up to 16.4 volts. The capacity is supposed to be 10 amp hour, but actually it's something like 7 odd amp hour. Anyway, it's enough to charge 3.5 mavic batteries and the remote controller one time. As a charger I use an official DJI car charger. It's a little bit expensive, but also you can use a clone. They start from $10 or $12. To connect the battery pack and the charger you will need a car socket. The price for this is about $1 or $2. So how it works? The charging time is the same and it takes about 15 minutes. To charge the remote controller I use a simple car USB charger. That's all. Thanks for watching.